then listen up. Because while we have that running, we can up the volume and we can also do outbound. We can also do outreach. And the way we're going to do that is with cold email. And this is specifically interesting if you are in a country where not that many people speak the language. Like, for example, I'm in Denmark. Not that many people speak Danish, which gives me a big advantage when it comes to cold outbound. So if you're in a country where not that many people speak the language, then this is probably the best way that you can land your first client. I'm going to show you how you can create campaigns like this one. We're only 60% through this campaign. It's going out to dentists and it's regarding voice agent. This is a real campaign that we created to showcase this. We have sent 962 emails, and from that, we have gotten 50 replies. If you calculate that reply rate, 49 divided by 962, that's a 5.1% reply rate, which means if you send 100 emails, you're going to get 5 replies from either people that are interested or people that say, fuck off. That's a part of cold email. But look at this. From that, we also have 6 opportunities. These are 6 people that have responded positively that say, I want to hear more information. And that is what is insane about this. The only reason this works is because this is in a specific language that not many people speak. If you do it in English, you're probably going to get around a 0.5 to 1% reply rate. And that's going to be good. This campaign right here is getting 10x that. And the craziest thing about this is that we can actually create full campaigns like this directly from inside of Claude Code. I've again created a skill that's called Instantly Campaign, like this. And again, you can find all of our skills completely for free if you go to school.com/free group, inside of Classroom, inside of Learning Hub, then Claude Skills. Here you have all of my skills as well, and you can find the Instantly Campaign right here. That is this skill. And you can download these completely for free. So we're literally just going to write /instantly campaign. But before we use this skill, we need to set up our instantly MCP. The way you do that is that you download the Claude desktop app. If you don't have it already, this is the easiest way to do it. To download the Claude desktop app, you just search for Claude download like this, and just download on the first link. Go inside of settings, then go to your connectors, click customize, and then you want to click this plus right here and click add custom connector. I've created this docs right here, which basically just includes the MCP command. So just copy this. I'm just going to paste it into the browser right here. And then go inside of Instantly, go to settings, then go to integrations, click API keys, and then create an API key. I'm going to call this Claude. I'm going to select all the scopes, click create, copy this API key, insert it where it says your API key right here, copy this entire thing and paste it in, call it Instantly, and then paste this in just like this and click add. We can now change this from needs approval to always allow. That's going to allow it to always do all of these things, which is what we want. And then it's now going to be connected. You might need to close down Claude like this, and click Claude again, and then click /.mcp, and then you should be able to see that Instantly right here is connected correctly. And when you've done that, then we're ready to build out the campaign with our Instantly campaign skill. If you're not signed up to Instantly yet, then you can sign up with my affiliate link right below this video. This helps the channel out a bunch, so I appreciate that. When we have done that and connected the MCP, we can now write /instantly campaign like this. And then we just need to write in what market we are going after, like what language and what service that we are providing. So I don't really speak Swedish, but what I'll do is that I'm going to create a Swedish campaign in Swedish, all through Claude, that are selling voice agents. So I'm going to write selling voice agents in Sweden. I want to give them a demo. Well, we actually don't need to write anymore. Selling voice agents in Sweden, and then who it is for, to dentists. Hit enter. Now, because this skill is going to do all of the heavy lifting, it's now going to build out a custom campaign for us. You can see it says, I'll start by reading the reference files for the proven template, then interview on the specifics. I've got the structure down. Voice agents, dentist Sweden. I need a few specifics to nail the copy. Let me batch them. It's now going to ask a couple of questions regarding our campaign. What's the core pain you want to hit? Missed calls, after hour calls lost. Let's do after hours call lost. What tangible asset should I email free offer? We can either do a lost revenue calculator, a live demo recording, custom voice agent mockup. Let's do a lost revenue from missed calls estimate. What's the second angle for email 5? Actually, I think a live demo recording is probably going to be best. Language for the emails is going to be Swedish because we're reaching out to the Swedish market. Click submit answers. And now it's going to build out the campaign that are selling voice agents to dentists in Sweden. Let's do a few a day that they are missing. What should the campaign be called? Let's just call it voice agent and then dentist in Sweden. Click submit answers, and now it's going to build out this voice agent campaign for us. And there we go. Now we get a preview, and this sounds pretty good. So let's go with that. It's now going to build out this campaign for us without us having to do anything, and it's going to place it on instantly, so we can literally just press start.